Welcome back, guys. Right now, I am going to share such a great platform, A1 Coin. What is A1 Coin all about? How you can buy this one token, and either is it worthy for you to buy this token at this time or not? We are going to share each and everything. And before moving on, kindly subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video. Right now I will show you about the A1 coin. What is it all about? Here you can see the whole things. At this time IEO is basically ongoing on CoinKeeper exchange, and you have the chance to buy this token in two basic pairs, Ethereum, and also you can buy this token in BTC pair very easily. You don't need to do anything. You just have to go on coinkeeper.io and you can purchase this token very easily from there. Right now, what is A1 coin all about? Basically, this coin, here you can say about us. Here you can read each and every definition of this token. The dream of launching a cryptocurrency has been a year-long dream of the founders. After exploring deep in the up and downs of the market, cryptocurrency and ICOs in the company's vision went through many talks and discussion for the past year and now came up with an exact idea. They basically telling us that they basically make a whole preparation for this project A1 coin. It is not like this that, for example, one morning I'm going to wake up and I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to make the coin. No. They basically make the coin after, you can say, after watching the whole ups and downs, after all the ICOs, each and everything, after watching all these things, then they basically decide to make their own coin, A1 coin. Here you can see the whole vision of this project. The basic thing regarding this token A1 coin, at this time you have the chance to get number of coins from them very easily. The price is at this time 0.01, not as much. So if you are going to fill up your bags with the number of A1 coins, definitely in future that will give you maximum ROIs. At this time you can see the public sale is 45%, private sale is 25%, 8% reserve, team and founder only 12%, advisors and partners 4%, bounty and events 6%. The basic name of this token is A1 coin, the ticker is A1, and here you can see the whole supply of this one token, and here comes the contract address of this one token. And right now you can see the roadmap, what they are going to do. I'm going to tell you the inside story. Inside story is this, that right now they are in the phase of IEO. But very soon you can see this token on multiple and biggest exchanges which you are using for the trading. They are going to list up their token, A1 token, on all those one exchanges which are entirely big exchanges. Right now, another thing which I am going to tell you, here you can see the exchanges where already basically token has been listed, but you can trade over there after the IEO. But as per my recommendation, you must have to take this coin and hold this coin, for example, next for, you can say, 6 months. Then you can see the actual results basically come out from A1 coin. Here I'm going to show you something more. Here you can read about the exchanges, on which exchanges they are going. At this time it is basically an ERC20 token. It is basically Ethereum backed token. If you want to contact them, you can contact them at any time, and their team always 24/7 is there for you on Twitter, on Telegram, and also you can reach them via email. So it is your time to grab this token on CoinKeeper exchange. You can buy this token on, at this time, CoinKeeper in their IEO, in Ethereum pair and in BTC pair. And also you have the chance. So yeah, I'm not going to miss that one thing. That is another chance which basically I saw very good. You must have to join their Telegram, and here you can see the pinned message of them. Here you can see our last IEO at coinkeeper.io. Get a chance to buy A1 with a special price only 0.01 when, and here you can see, for example, if you are going to buy of about $55, you will be able to get 25%, and if you are going to get $44, then you are going to get 20%. Here they are going to give you number of things. For example, you are going to buy this token from their IEO. You just have to message this one, the Telegram admin Miner68. He is going to send you the bonus because you have to tell him that right now I bought the tokens from coinkeeper.io from their IEO of A1 coin. Then the admin, telegram admin miner underscore 68, you have to message him on the telegram and he is going to send you the direct bonus of whatever you purchase. For example, if you are going to purchase this token from, you can say $200 or $300, then you will be able to collect number of bonus from them. So be easy with that. You must have to buy this token right now. I will share the link of CoinKeeper and also their telegram group, because you must have to come on their telegram group. You have to join this one group, and also you have to message the admin first of all after buying from CoinKeeper. Then definitely you'll be able to collect number of bonus for A1 token. So it is the great chance to buy this token at this time from coinkeeper.io, and before that one you must have to read each and everything regarding their roadmap, regarding their token and everything. So I hope if you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.